Hi guys, welcome to Healthspectra.com. 10 Best Homemade Mouthwash. Have you been suffering from bad breath and oral health issues? These are often common if you don't have a healthy oral hygiene, and this is the primary reason why it is important to ensure that you do look into the alternatives. There are several chemical-based mouthwash available in the market. But the same isn't the best when it comes to some people. They also have strong chemicals which isn't the best for your teeth and oral health overall. To help you with that, we have sorted out some of the best homemade mouthwash. Let us take a look at some of the best ones available in the market. Baking soda. The beneficial antibacterial properties of the baking soda is what has been found to have beneficial impacts in helping drive out the bacterial growth in the mouth that causes bad breath. Tea tree oil and baking soda. The combination of tea tree oil and baking soda has been found to have beneficial impacts in restoring the freshness in the mouth and helping with the prevention of the bacterial growth. Essential oils. A combination of varying essential oils has been found to help in boosting the freshness in the mouth and even helping with the unnecessary cavities and oral health issues one suffers from. Ginger and mint. While the menthol in the mint helps restore the freshness in the mouth, the ginger imposes beneficial antibacterial properties to get rid of the problems associated. Coconut oil. Oil pulling is a very popular method to get rid of the unnecessary bacterial growth and even helping around with the problems associated with the oral health. Cinnamon and clove powder. Yet another one of the amazing combination for natural mouthwash definitely has to be the cinnamon and clove powder. They bring about freshness and boost oral health simultaneously. Coconut and mint. The combination of coconut and mint is also effective in helping preventing the further problems that one experiences with their oral health. They prevent the growth of the bacteria in the mouth. Salt water. Saltwater gargling or even rinsing your mouth with the same has been found to have beneficial impacts in helping get rid of the unnecessary problems related to oral hygiene. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar imposes effective antimicrobial properties which has been found to have amazing impacts in helping get rid of the bacterial growth and the other issues that one face. Aloe vera juice and peppermint. The combination of aloe vera juice and peppermint helps in ensuring that you don't struggle with bad breath and even get rid of the dry mouth and other issues that many face. If you have been looking for natural alternatives for your mouthwash, there are some of the best ones. Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.